Hello everyone, I am Dr. Vikas Sharma. I am a skin specialist and hair transplant surgeon at Dermavan Clinic. Today in this video, I will be talking about cracked heels, also known as fissures in your foot. We will be talking about treatment for cracked heels, and also I'll be discussing the home remedies which are available for cracked heels. In addition, I'll also be talking about what are the causes for cracked heels so that you can prevent them from happening. Now, first, let us try and understand why cracked heels happen. Cracked heels, they are seen very commonly in females, and they are also seen in people of elderly age group. So, what happens is over a period of time when our feet are exposed to a lot of detergents, soaps, or harsh chemicals, after some time they start developing thick skin which cracks, and this can lead to cracked skin. It has also been seen that the problem of cracked heels happens more frequently in winters or in cold, dry climates. Now, what happens is that with the exposure to cold air or dry air, moisture content of our skin decreases, which leads to dryness and cracking of heels. Also, people who wear open sandals, which are open from the back side, they can also lead to cracked heels. So, that is why it is advisable that you should wear closed shoes when you have cracked heels. Cracked heels are also commonly seen in farmers. This may be due to the fact that their feet stay wet for a long period of time. Also, there may be exposure to chemicals, they may have to walk barefooted also. So, these factors may contribute to cracking of heels. Also, in conditions in which our nerves get damaged, for example, diabetes or leprosy, these conditions can also lead to dryness of skin and cracking of heels. Other than this, there may be some patients in whom there are no such reasons for cracked heels and they're just developing without any reason. So, in this situation, also we have to treat similarly. Now, let's talk about what cracked heels look like. So, typically, these are very minor cosmetic concerns. You may notice few cracks on your heels, and they're more of a cosmetic concern than anything else. And you can, treat them with some creams and all, which I will be discussing shortly. But sometimes these cracks can become very deep, which can lead to bleeding as well from the affected areas. This can be painful. You may find it difficult to walk or stand. Also, sometimes these areas can get infected. Now, some patients, they may develop cracked heels because of some other reasons as well. So, some other diseases can lead to an appearance similar to simple cracked heels. So, for example, psoriasis, eczema, fungal infection of your feet, contact dermatitis, or some genetic diseases. These can all lead to an appearance similar to simple cracked heels. So, what you have to do is that if you are having involvement of your nail as well, if there is redness of the affected area, if there is a lot of itching in that area, if you have involvement of your knees, your elbows, your head, in that situation you have to suspect that this could be something different. This is not just a simple case of cracked heels. Or if the disease has been there, if your cracked heels have been there since birth, if it is a genetic problem, if your family members also have it, you have to consider that it could be something else as well. So in that situation you have to seek medical opinion. Why I'm telling you this thing is because the treatment for all these conditions, that is psoriasis, eczema, and all these things, the treatment is different from the treatment for simple cracked heels. Now let's discuss the treatment options that are available for cracked heels. First of all, I'll be describing the things that you can do before visiting your doctor. So the first and most important thing is to protect your feet. You should not expose your feet to harsh soaps or detergents while working. You should try to wear protective shoes. Also, wearing shoes and occlusive socks for a longer period of time keeps your skin moist and prevents cracked heels from forming. It has also been seen that applying doctor's tape on your cracked heels for a long period of time moisturizes the skin and treats superficial cracked heels. Also, you can use a soft insole in your shoe to make your heels heal faster. Also, you can apply moisturizers 2 to 3 times a day to the affected area. This also helps in rapid healing of your cracked heels. Now, coming to medical treatment typically relies on urea based creams. These creams usually contain 25 to 40% of urea. These, when applied to the affected area, can lead to healing of the affected area. Also, moisturizers known as emollients are prescribed to treat cracked heels. Sometimes secondary infection can develop in these cracked heels. So, in such a situation, antibiotics may also be needed. Now, for better results with medical treatment, if your doctor permits, you can follow the following routine. So, what needs to be done is you can soak your feet in warm water for some time, and then you can exfoliate the affected area gently with the help of a pumice stone. Then you can apply the cream on the affected area, and then you can occlude that area with the help of either a doctor's tape, or you can wear socks as well. This helps in better penetration of the medicines in the skin and leads to a faster resolution of the problem. So in this video, I've tried to tell you about cracked heels. If you still have any questions related to cracked heels, you can ask me in the comment section below. I'll try to answer your queries.
Please subscribe to our channel, and for more such videos and information, please click on the bell icon. You can also follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram.